Oh my god, this game's so much fun on my phone.
I love
It's like
Pinterest.
the best game.
It's addicted.
Okay, let's go outside. Let's bring the phones.
Before it rains?
Yeah, go. Yay, I got like at least 5K now on Instagram.
Wow.
OMG, this is amazing.
Awesome.
I love the backyard.
Me too.
Just like the backyardist.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what?
What is that?
What is that?
Um,
What is it? What? What?
Popcorn.
Why? Why popcorn?
'Cause yummy.
Why? Don't eat it. It could have been from a pollution state.
No.
Look at
Mmm. Popcorn.
How is this yummy?
It's popcorn. Who thinks popcorn is
Get
yummy?
away from my phone.
I love popcorn so much.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What are we gonna do? We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're going to die.
It's too good.
Oh, what if it's polluted? Oh my god. It's still raining.
I'm too full. I can't finish.
Oh my god.
Help me.
No, I'm not eating this.
But I can't.
You can't.
Where's your phone?
You're already fat enough. I thought the popcorn makers.
What?
I thought the popcorn makers ate your phone.
What we're gonna do? The whole yard is full of popcorn.
Oh.
Let's bathe in it.
Okay.
Mm.
Get out of the spotlight. I'm gonna leave.
Did I come here? Just kidding.
Yeah. Nom, 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 nom.
I can't believe our yard is full of popcorn.
My
It's
yard.
so awesome.
My yard.
Actually, we're at my house.
Oh.
Random.
Okay, well, hello, everybody.
Bye. Addicting.
Ooh, I got a phone call. Just kidding. Let's go.
I ate the phone. That will be on bloopers.
No, we can keep that. That's gonna be funny. We can bleep that out.
1 hour later. Actually, I ate my phone. Cause, yeah. You ate your phone.
Oh, God.
Well, we both ate our phones. We have no phones, and we have a yard full of popcorn.